I'm just making this very simple tutorial to show you how to export video. So I have this very simple animation here. You can see it plays back really slow because it's 10 seconds long. And so rather than doing the add to render queue, if you first install an Adobe software called Adobe Media Encoder, I can see that under Adobe here. I can go to Adobe Creative Cloud, see the list of all the software I can install. Here's Media Encoder. If you haven't installed it already, go ahead and click the install button, which would be here if you didn't have it. And then after you do that, you might have to restart After Effects, but you should have Composition, Add to Adobe Media Encoder queue, and it'll line this up here for you. And if you click on this right here, you'll have an option of formats, and I'm going to choose H.264, which is going to give me this MP4 file. So I'll save this to my Fall 18 folder. I'll just call it this. I'm going to replace that because I just did this once before. And hitting this play button will render it out. This is going to render very quickly. It's done. Gonna check that and just quickly look at the properties here, and I can see that's 1 megabyte for a 10-second movie, just 1 megabyte, and I can see that it plays back and it looks good, so that is how I would recommend that you do stuff when you export your video files in this class.